Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can zoom in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And right here, as you can see guys, in the center of your screen, you're going to find the sections. Right here, you're going to find the option to start a new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on new project. So once you click on new project, you're going to be right here in this page. So once this window pop up, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the name of the project. Here, you're going to find the width, the height, and also the DPI. And here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're going to find the option to choose a size for your image. Here you're going to find social, print, photo, screen, mobile, ads, and so on. So right now I'm going to choose, for example, this size and then click on create. So basically guys, once you create your projects, you're going to be right here. So here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your image. So right now I'm going to add the image by clicking on file and then I'm going to click on open. And once you click on open, go ahead and choose an image from your computer and then you're going to be able to add it. Once you add your image, in order to zoom, just click on the zoom tool right here. And then as you can see guys, you're going to be able to zoom in like this or zoom out by clicking on this icon. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.